This tree right here is really, really pretty. We've been taking care of it for a long time, 10 plus years, but I hate to remove it. It is tearing up the wall. This column is slanted back, and the tree's already leaning that way. So cutting roots there is only going to damage the tree and make it weaker. So we're going to have to remove it today. This tree doesn't provide any shade on their house, really. The neighbors do love it, but that wall is going to fall over. Well, this will be a fun one.